Welcome back. We're hungry, but we're also short on time. My brother-in-law's going to the game, my sister's going to salsa dancing, and I have a rehearsal. How do I get an elegant, easy dinner on the table in 30 minutes or so? Sheet pan cooking to the rescue. We'll have a budget-friendly surf and turf with a flank steak roulade, jumbo shrimp, and roasted potatoes. Flank steak is a budget-friendly cut of beef. Saving money here will give you room to splurge on something else. I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees and lined my sheet pans with parchment. I actually need two because I live in an apartment and I have a small stove. The steak is butterflied so that it's thin and it lies flat. I've sauteed onion, garlic, mushrooms, and spinach, seasoning them with salt and pepper and letting them cool. As you can see, I have spread the mixture on the meat, leaving a slight border, and I'm rolling this up like a jelly roll. A light coating of oil, some salt and pepper, and tie with some kitchen twine. I've seasoned my bite-sized potatoes with oil, salt, and pepper, and I'm going to lay them in a single layer on the sheet pan. Both go into the oven. Cook the steak to around 125 degrees Fahrenheit. You see we're good? Any longer and this cut could end up too tough. Let it rest while the potatoes continue to cook. My one splurge. I've peeled and deveined some jumbo shrimp. I'm going to season them with the same salt and pepper and oil in the same bowl as the potatoes. Slide the potatoes over to one side. Put in our jumbo shrimp in one layer and back into the oven it all goes. When the shrimp turn pink, everything will be done. And we're ready to plate it all up. And here we have it. Isn't this gorgeous? Elegant enough for a Saturday night, easy enough for a Tuesday night. See you next time.